Hello friends, welcome to the Handmaidens. Today we are making yet another cleaning product. It is officially spring, and spring cleaning is such a thing. Of course we have to clean every single day. I do, I'm sure you do too. And today we're only making a bathtub cleaner, and if you wait until spring to clean your bathtub, I'll pray for you. On the subject of bathtubs, I know you think you know how to clean one. A lot of people think they know how to clean them, and a lot of people probably do, but some people don't. My house has a fiberglass bathtub that I'm pretty sure was installed by the guy who owned the house before I did. And I bought my house when my daughter Clara was a baby, but I didn't move into my house until Clara was nine. So in that time, I rented the house out to a few different families, and somebody, I don't know who, either the guy who owned the house before me or somebody I rented to, did not know how to clean a fiberglass tub. Fiberglass tubs are sensitive, and you have to be careful what you use on them or you will scratch the surface. Now, since I've moved into my house, I've dropped hints every once in a while to Ariel that I would please, for my birthday, Mother's Day, Christmas, I'd like a new bathtub, because my tub is so difficult to clean since the surface of it has been destroyed. Not intentionally. I'm glad anybody, who rented from us tried to clean it at all. That's marvelous. But if you know how to clean something, it will last a lot longer. So, honestly, for me, I'm never getting a new tub as long as I live here, unless I go away on vacation, because I only have one tub and I don't know where we would bathe while it was being replaced. I have lived through a bathroom renovation with Ariel. When we bought our first house, I was sitting on the couch, I was nursing Enzo, and the weekend after we closed on the house, I heard a huge smash upstairs, and I turned around to see Ariel coming down the stairs with our toilet. And he told me, don't worry, it will be back together by Monday. 5 Mondays later, I had a bathroom. I don't want to do that again. So I sometimes tell myself, oh, I'll preserve what's left of the tub and I'll use a nice, safe cleaner. And then other times I'm like, whatever, I just got to get it clean. So I'm not doing the tub any favors. Before we make this, let me say that the powdered dishwasher detergent that I made in another video actually works really great as a bathtub cleaner. I'm really enjoying that. But here I'm going to make a nice, safe, fiberglass safe bathtub cleaner, and it's really easy. It has salt, lemons, vinegar, and baking soda in it. Lemons and salt are like nature's bleach. They're whitening and they kill germs, and you don't have to be in a well-ventilated area to use them. Crack open a lemon, you're going to be just fine, right? Good. And it smells good. It smells really nice. Today we're making a paste. So the first thing we're going to do is juice our lemon. I'm cutting this open. And I have a little juicy squeezer thing. I used to have a nicer juicy squeezy thing. It was, a glass jar that had like a yellow dome on the top, and I don't know what happened to that. I'm guessing since it was made of glass, we broke it. We break everything made of glass. I try to buy everything, not even plastic, because we break everything plastic too. I always tell people that I'm going for a military ship / prison look when decorating my home, because that's really all we can handle responsibly. Oh well. I like the idea of not replacing things all the time, so we haven't broken anything metal yet. We do have some dents in our metal bowls, some of them, And we have some dents in our metal cups and plates, and that's fine. I can take a dent. At least it's not broken and I don't have to replace it. We have metal dining room chairs now. After breaking enough wooden ones, we gave up on wooden dining room chairs as well. We were talking about getting like a table from a morgue or something to use as our dining room table, so that would be metal too. We haven't done that yet, but you know, we're not in a morgue yet, so maybe we still will. Okay, my lemon is juiced. I'm not, oh gosh. Obviously you've all seen lemon juice, right? Well, you're not going to see it now either, obviously, because I can't get it to show you. Okay, so that lemon juice is in the bowl. We're going to put in 2 tablespoons of salt. I'm just using table salt because it's inexpensive and it does the job. I'm putting in a 1/3 cup of vinegar. Obviously, I'm putting in more than a 1/3 cup because I don't have a steady hand. That's okay. And a 1/2 cup of baking soda. And I have tried this one time. I made, oh, see, do you hear it? It's fizzling. Okay, let's see if we can show you this. Look at this. Yeah. This is your elementary school volcano. Vinegar and baking soda. Okay. That's all in the bowl. We're going to stir it up together now, just with a spoon. And what we're making is a paste, which means if at any time you want to add, you know, more vinegar if it's too dry and crumbly. You know what, I think I added more lemon juice than I did last time. So mine's a little wet. Easy enough. We'll just pour in some more baking soda. Now, as I was saying, I tried this before with super washing soda because I thought that would be better. Not better. Didn't do a better job with the tub. I didn't like it as much as the regular baking soda, which makes a finer paste. Okay, we're almost there. We're almost there. See, it's still soupy. You can honestly use it like this. This is, right now, it's just about, maybe you've purchased soft scrub before. It's about at soft scrub consistency. I'm going to get it a little thicker than that. Okay, yeah, I like it now. Here, come here, you can see. You want a peek? See that? There you go. We always like a cleaning product that you can eat, right? Especially if you share a house with children who are always licking weird stuff. There it is. So what I'm going to do with this goo, I'm not going to eat it because it would taste like absolute death. Even though I probably could eat it, I would be fine. I don't want to. What I am going to do is take a plastic bristled scrub brush and, you know, something that's not too stiff, whatever. I don't know, do they make a natural fiber scrub brush? I'm not. My hippiedom hasn't brought me to a natural bristled scrub brush quite yet. So I'm going to dip the brush in here and really get it coated. And then I'm just going to scrub. I'm going to scrub the tub. I'm going to rinse it with water. It's going to be happy. It's going to be fine. It's going to smell good. If you want to, you can add a couple drops of lemon essential oil to kind of kick up that lemony, citrusy, clean smell in your bathroom, maybe. I don't like my family enough to do that for them. Maybe if we were having guests over, maybe it might be like, look, we have, a lemon issue in our bathroom. Doesn't it smell great and lemony in here? I don't know. Essential oils are expensive. I don't think it would add to the cleaning element here, but, as a fragrance, why not? That's what I have for you today. I am not going to bring you upstairs with me to clean the bathtub. We're going to say goodbye here. I feel like, you don't need a visual of me bent over my tub. I don't know that you'll ever recover from that. It's not a pretty sight. I will ask all of you who are blessed enough to have a new fiberglass tub in your life to please start with this and clean with this. You can also use spray cleaners throughout the week. We like to spray once a day, but that doesn't keep up on build up. You'll still get some soap scum build up. You'll get maybe a little, we live in a village, so we don't have a rust issue or anything like that. We have treated water here, so we're not dealing with fun minerals from our well. Although when we did have a well, best water ever. I thought of asking the people that got the house after us if I could come down and just keep drinking that water. What a nice well we had. And maybe someday we'll have a well again, and then I will have to come back and reevaluate what I'm cleaning with. But for now, here in my village home with my fiberglass tub, this works pretty darn good. We like it, and I hope you like it too. Always let me know what you think if you tried it. I've heard back from some people, I don't know why you do this. I don't know why you make this stuff when they sell stuff right at the store. It's too hard. It's too many steps. And that's fine. I understand. People have jobs and lives. It's just I don't. So this is how I spend my time. And if you want to, now you can too. All right. If you have another bathroom cleaner, I know there's as many bathroom cleaners as there are bathrooms, I think. Let me know if you have one that works. Let me know if you try the dish detergent, the powdered dish detergent in your tub, and if you like that too, like I did. But be careful, because I can't remember if that one is safe for fiberglass. Like I said, I don't take nice care of my tub anymore. It's just about getting it as close to white as humanly possible these days. Okay, I will see you later. For all of you animal lovers out there, just before I go, I do want to recommend that you watch my sister Elisa's video from yesterday. She has footage of a fresh born, brand new, straight out of the uterus lamb. How cute. And now they're a couple days old, and she has some more footage of, the fresh lamb, and then the one that was born a couple days before. I'm just in love. This is so cute. If you are an animal lover, please check out Elisa's sheep video, because, cute. We need some cuteness and happiness in our life, especially, I like cleaning. If you don't like cleaning and you still have to, you need something to balance out that misery with. Go check out the sheep. You're going to love it. Okay. See you later. Bye.